How's it going, you guys? It's Roblox Scripts here, and I'm back with another video. Now in today's video I have a script for the game The Hood, and it's an Autofarm script that is very overpowered. Now I did want to give you guys a quick announcement before I do start the video. So JMuse has been hopping onto the Discord and making some giveaways, and I will also be hopping on as well by the end of this month to make a Synapse Key giveaway. However, as you can see, there are multiple messages about a free Synapse giveaway that JMuse was hosting on December, and a Nitro that actually was given out, and only like a couple people participated. 11 people entered this giveaway, guys. So if you're looking for Synapse X, the perfect way to get it, is definitely joining our Discord, as we're going to be doing these giveaways sooner or later this month. Like I said, if we can get, let's say, 50 to 100 unique people on the server, I myself will be giving away one key whenever that happens. Okay. But other than that, let's go ahead and get the video started. We're going to go into the Hood today. You guys know the drill. Very good game. Now I do want to stress that this video is for educational purposes only. I am in no way, shape or form trying to encourage the usage of the scripts. I don't want to hurt the games. This is just for educational purposes only. I want to educate the people on the type of exploits out there. So I'm first going to try this in a public server, and then I'm going to go in a private one, as JMuse was testing the script right now. He was telling me how the private servers are giving you around $1,000 per minute. He had it running for like 20 minutes on his computer, and they gave him around 20 grand. We're gonna try that right now. As you can see, pretty cool rank once you start the script. I myself have 258k on this, as I have ran some auto farms. But let's go ahead and find what we're looking for here, which is going to be the auto farm. It's going to be on the extra. You have to click the dot here for the script to work, and once you do that, it's going to start farming. As you can see, I'm at 258,000 and this is 346. I'm going to leave this running for a couple of minutes. There's a hater trying to get me already. We're not going to let this slide. As you can see, we're getting all the cash. We don't care that they're coming for us. Oh, go ahead and burn me up. I took the cash and now I'm going to a different register. So it's very lousy in here. I'm going to leave this running for a couple of minutes, and I'll be right back with you guys with the results. Now, because I am in a public server, it has been a couple minutes and my character has just been sitting there. But as you can see, I have 265,000 currently, so we made around 7 grand in a couple of minutes, so just letting this sit around. So definitely would say that it's very effective. You guys let me know what you think of it. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Also, join the Discord server. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace.